Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name is Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg Audi A5 Sportback Quattro S-Line. So the S-Line models come very well specified from the factory. The S-Line is obviously your full exterior sports body kit, so the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts. We're riding on nice 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels finished in a lovely sparkle silver. Now the car itself is finished in Mythos Black, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Obviously lots of nice styling cues, so we've got a nice lower diffuser, dual chrome exhaust, we've got our rear parking sensors there as well, privacy glass, bright silver window surrounds, front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, and then we've got Quattro badges all round to signify that this is the four-wheel drive variant. Now coming through to the interior, it's a full S-Line sport seat, so half leather, half cloth within the centres, so it allows the seat to breathe. The leather bolsters themselves are in nice order. These are fully electric heated front seats. Coming through to the door card, the fit and finish of these vehicles is just second to none. So we've got these premium materials used, we've got Alcantara on the door card, we've got brushed aluminium detailing, we've got bright silver detailing on every single button inside. But then on the door card itself, we've got our heated mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've also got our boot opener from the driver's side. Quickly just looking through to the rear seats, they're in nice order as well. So very frugal use, you can tell it's very barely being used in the back of here. So we've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. Central armrest is just found there as well. Now even though it's a sloping roofline, I'm 6'2", I can sit in the back of here comfortably. You still get lots of knee room, and then this vehicle also comes equipped with a free zone climate control. So the driver, the front passenger and the rear passengers can all have different climates. You've also got a 12-volt power outlet, which is ideal if you've got children. They can charge the phones as you're driving along. Looking through to the boot, it's an electric tailgate, it's a hatchback, so you've got a nice wide loading area. We've got our parcel shelves found just there as well. Split folding rear seats, all the little bits and bobs which were supplied with a vehicle from brand new are still with the car there today. So we've got a nice vest in there, and then your first aid kit as well. 12-volt power outlet, ideal if you're looking to carry a cool box. Coming, looking through to the bottom, we've got a space saver spur wheel, which is a lovely thing to have. Normally these newer cars all come equipped with the tyre inflation kits, so spare wheels, just peace of mind. Now jumping inside, we'll just close the door. So once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel, part perforated. You've got the S-Line badge on the bottom just so you know you're driving the sportier looking model. Now you can control most things off of the steering wheel, so you've got your voice command, your Bluetooth phone, all your volume and media controls, satellite navigation controls, and then on the other side you've got all the view for the virtual cockpit, which is just ahead. So you can change the view, so you can have this nice big wide screen which is nice and easy to follow, especially when you've got your satellite navigation on there. It's always just in your sight, and then you can adjust the view. So you've also got your fuel consumption and all your onboard computer. You've got your Bluetooth phone on there as well, and then following through we've got our cruise control and speed limiter. So as you can tell, the cruise control, speed limiter. Coming through to the centre console, more lovely materials used. So again, brushed aluminium detailing. You've got this sort of leather effect detailing on the dashboard. Front and rear parking sensors, as I mentioned before. We've got our full satellite navigation, we've got our car information. So this is basically your Audi Drive Select. So you've got Eco, Comfort, Dynamic, and then you've also got your added features. So your air conditioning, driving assistance, servicing and checks. So if we go through to service intervals, the next service, as we're doing the video here today, is only due in 17,600 miles or in 632 days. So these vehicles are on long life services. You've got your sound, which allows you to change the bass, the treble, full DAB radio, so you've got all the extended channels there. Obviously multimedia, so that basically includes your DVD, CD, USB, SD, aux. You've got Bluetooth phone as well, full satellite navigation, and then you've got a few added features for your smartphone. So you've got Audi smartphone interface and your Audi Connect as well. Coming down, 3-zone climate control, as I mentioned before, heated front seats. Drive Select is nice and easy to operate. You've got your automatic stop start, traction control, electric parking, sensors which you can switch on and off, central cup holders, the full scroll wheel and the buttons for the display. Silky smooth 7-speed gearbox, which is fantastic. Really nice gear changes, you don't even feel them. This vehicle produces 180 brake horsepower, so that 180 with the 7-speed box, it's an absolute delight to drive. Central volume controls, obviously you've got volume controls on the steering wheel as well. Central armrest, which is in lovely order and is fully adjustable. But a lovely car throughout. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners, never really driven in anger, and everything which was supplied with the vehicle from brand new is still with the car there today. So we've got 2 keys, a full HPI clear report, but the car itself is a nice one. So if you'd like anything further on this car, if you'd like a personalised video, if you like more images, or you just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do call before travelling down. But no, thank you for watching. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. I always recommend, if you're travelling the distance, have a read of our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews, all from verified buyers, so people who've actually bought from us and dealt with us. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect our vehicles. You'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. But thank you very much for watching. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.